Taong 1995 nang itatag ang PhilHealth. 2019 nang maisabatas ang Universal Healthcare Law, mahigit isang dekada na pinabayaan, binaliwala at walang kumibo tungkol sa mga benepisyo ng PhilHealth hanggang sa i-expose ni Manoy Wilbert Wisely ang sobra-sobrang pondo ng PhilHealth.
Given that we have around 400 billion worth of investable fund in PhilHealth and the agency has around 68 billion net income, ano ba ang mandato ng PhilHealth? Maging health insurance provider o maging isang state investment company?
Kami sa PhilHealth, we will be eternally grateful to Honorable Wilbert Lee. Yung pagka-mention niya, ang dami-dami niyong pera. You have to start thinking of the benefit package increases. Talagang si Honorable Lee is really the one who got the ball rolling. Siya talaga yung spark.
Wala pa tayo lahat pakialam mo. You have promised me na pag-uusapan itong mga diagnostic scans na to. Ilang hearing na. I am left with no choice but to move
Mr. Speaker, I move
for
to
the
suspend
budget
session.
of the DOH until the Secretary commits to.
Suspend.
Members of the minority.
Mr.
Mr. Speaker, we join the minority in their motion to terminate the period of debate.
Mayroon po nung commitment nung October, nung November, ngayon December, hindi rin po lahat na-cover yung commitment. Yun ang hindi ko matanggap. Kailangan mag-antay. A little more patience. Anong katumbas? More patients are dying.
Marami na tayong napagtagumpayan pero marami pang kailangang maisakatuparan. Samahan natin si Manoy Wilbert Wisely sa laban na ito. Laban natin itong lahat.